Okay, we're back and we've set the same tensile strength tester up with 300 kilogram ultra high molecular weight polyethylene line, and we've got it at the same load, at a 25 kilogram load. And what we're going to do first is we're going to try the tuna jaw with the tuna teeth, same as we did with the monofilament line, and basically we're going to pull this thing across this line multiple times, and what we'll see is we're going to see very little effect on this. And I think I mentioned in the proposal that I've done this hundreds of times with no effect on this line. Now then, we're going to use the mako tooth. The mako tooth, as we're going to see, and by the way, this is what we want. We would like to see that the tuna tooth morphology is going to have little effect on this line. However, when we use the mako shark tooth, or if we wanted to, we could use one of the bull shark teeth as well. The bull shark tooth actually works a little better, as a matter of fact, because of the fine serrations on that tooth, and that's probably more similar to the blue shark. The one that I mentioned is the bycatch species in the proposal. So let's take a look at how this shark tooth is going to affect this line. So we're going to pull it across it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So basically we got 6 pulls across the line, and truthfully I wasn't putting very much load on the line as I pulled the tooth across it. So stark difference between the way this line behaves versus the monofilament. The monofilament is going to retain tuna, swordfish, and it's also going to retain sharks. If we were using this kind of monofilament, now obviously we're going to have to work on this problem a little bit, and that's why I've submitted that proposal. But this line fails so readily that I'm convinced that if we start looking into using this kind of leader for application in pelagic fisheries, that we may very well see that we'll get much better shark release, shark bite-offs. So again, thank you for watching my YouTube, and I do appreciate it.